Hello everyone. So in this video I'm going to show you how to resolve this error when you install OpenSmile on Ubuntu. So I was trying to install OpenSmile on Ubuntu, and as you can see here I got this error. Uh, so this error is in file vectorTransform.hpp. So in order to resolve this error, what you need to do, you need to go to this file so that as this path is given, and we are going to change a code. So first of all, we need to go to the file. So in your OpenSmile folder, just follow the same path. So src include core. So just go to src include and core. So I have already opened that file. So in this core, you will find the file vectorTransform.hpp. So just open this file and go to line number 117. And here what you need to do, you need to delete unsigned and save this file. Okay, now I'm going to try installation again. So now it will work fine. Thank you very much for watching.